Hey guys, what's up? This is the Purpose-Filled Kitchen and this is Scott from the Elevated Bear. Scott, what's up?
I'm so excited. We're going to be making the second elevated non-alcoholic beverage I ever created. So I don't make mocktails. I make something called ENABs, elevated non-alcoholic beverages. Nothing against mocktails, you know, and I think people should use the terms that they're most comfortable with. But for me, there's just something a little bit more elevated about what we're doing here, and we're not mocking anything. So what we're doing today is using all food-based ingredients, very culinary beverage experience. We're not using any non-alcoholic spirits, and we're not mimicking an existing drink like a mojito, like a Virgin Mojito, or a margarita.
Thank you, because I don't drink.
You know, when you take out alcohol and then you don't replace it with something, to me that's like saying, you know what, I think I'm gonna make marinara tonight. I don't have tomatoes, but we're going to do it anyway.
Exactly.
That's not marinara
Right.
sauce,
Exactly right.
We're going to be making an ENAB, and as I mentioned, this is the second drink I made, but this is not the version of it, because when I first started, I didn't know what I was doing, and all I knew is that I wanted something adult, something elevated. Didn't taste like soda water, didn't taste like soda.
You know, as you know, I'm a chef, and this really intrigued me when I saw you talking, and so I got to get into it. So we got to go. What are these?
Yeah, so I went ahead and made everything fresh today. So what you have in front of you here is, this is cold brew green tea.
Ooh, I love that.
And I choose to cold brew my teas. Have you ever cold brewed tea before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So
it's smoother.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's smoother. It's not as harsh. This is lemon juice, Sicilian volcanic lemon juice. And then this is honey syrup.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. And then, of course, the last thing we got is our HEB bubble water, but you can use any brand that you want. You could also use Topo Chico if you wanted to.
We're in Texas, so we love our HEB.
Doing the HEB.
Yeah.
And then over here is our garnish, which is fresh organic sprig of thyme.
Beautiful.
And the name of this drink is called Thyme for Summer.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Let's go, yeah,
right.
yeah.
We're using a Collins glass because it just makes those bubbles really last longer. So,
love that.
First thing we're gonna do is start with ice, and this is just ice. So nothing special. Nothing special.
Syrup
so
in
if
there.
you want to go ahead and take 3 ice cubes.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we're going to start off with our jigger, and the first thing we're going to use is our green tea. And we're going to go ahead and use 3.5 ounces of this.
Okay.
So
3 on one side and then 1 on the other?
And half on the other, yep.
Beautiful.
The next thing we're going to do is add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice to this.
Great.
Now, with lemon juice, you definitely want to do fresh squeezed. And then the last thing we're going to do is add 1/2 ounce of honey syrup.
Only 1/2 ounce, huh?
Only 1/2 ounce, yeah.
Okay.
But
I'm just joking,
if
guys.
you want to add some more later, you can.
I'm just, you guys know I love my sugar. That's the issue, right? So,
well,
I
how
love
about we
it.
try it this way, and then we can always add some more.
We're going to go with what you do.
All right,
Let's
perfect.
go.
And then the last thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and add this. You can go ahead and just pour it.
Would you tilt your glass?
Yeah, I was going to say you can just pour it down the side of the glass. And then, Chef, we're not measuring this because I know, but we're basically putting in 3¼ ounces. We're leaving basically 1 inch from the top of the glass, and we're going to give it a little bit of a stir just to integrate it. We don't want to stir too vigorously because we don't want to upset the bubbles. But there we go. And then we have one last thing we're going to do. And I have 2 different size pieces of thyme. You can decide if you want a bigger piece or a smaller piece.
That's fine.
And we're going to put it right in. Nope, we're not.
That smells good.
You know what we're going to do first?
You're going to smack it?
We're going to smack it.
That's right.
And it's
Get
not
all the
because,
oil.
yes, it's not because the thyme was bad. It's because we want to release those essential oils from the thyme into the drink.
Right.
And so this is your Thyme for Summer.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, so I always encourage everyone to smell the drink first, you know? And
that thyme smells amazing in there.
yeah, are you noticing anything beyond the thyme, or is the thyme just kind of overpowering you?
The thyme is overpowering right now, but I feel like smell like a little citrus too, right?
Yeah, there should be getting a little bit of lemon, but I'm noticing a little bit of honey.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was, initially, it's the thyme because that oil's releasing, and
Yes.
it's like, hits
So
you.
what really is exciting for me is, are you familiar with neurogastronomy?
Not really.
Okay, so I read this great book on neurogastronomy by Gordon Shepherd, and he talks about how 80% of what we taste actually isn't taste at all. It's retronasal smell, right?
I believe that.
Yeah. So scent is so important. But then I read another book. Actually, I read a book first called Cocktail Theory by Dr. Kevin Peterson. And one of the functions of alcohol is to carry scent to your nose.
Yeah.
So when you remove alcohol from a drink, that drink's got to work harder to smell better.
Yeah.
So we're
That makes
looking,
sense.
we're looking for a top note, a middle note, and a base note in all of our drinks. And so for me, it's like top note is definitely the thyme, no doubt about it. For me, the middle note is the honey, and then maybe the citrus at the very end is that base note.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
It smells really good, guys. So.
I wish you could smell it.
Oh, that's refreshing.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah.
I taste the honey. Yeah, the honey hit me now. That's really delicious.
And are you noticing a little bit of a drying sensation on your tongue?
yeah,
as well?
a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that from the citrus?
It's from the tea.
Oh, from the green tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. There's
Great.
thought behind that, Scott.
Yeah.
You put a lot of thought behind that.
Yes. Yeah.
So great. I mean,
Yeah.
this is so much better than a mocktail. Like, and most of you who are non-drinkers, you understand what I'm saying. Like, there's like, oh, you'll have a mojito. I'll have a mojito too, virgin, and it comes to you and it's literally seltza water with a sprig of mint in it. Yeah, that's what it
it's a
tastes
li-
like.
It's
And a
basically
lime juice.
It's like a
but-
lime mint soda.
Exactly.
That's what it is. It's a
Right.
lime
They
mint
might
soda.
as well just say lime mint
Yeah.
soda. Thank you so much for hanging out with me
Yeah,
today.
thank you.
This was
Cheers.
so fun. Thank you.
Yeah.